Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect PayPal to N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to open our N8N account, and then once logged in, click on Personal and choose the workflow that we want to use PayPal on. Now, we're going to add first step and we're going to search on the search nodes PayPal. Click here and then click on a PayPal event trigger. Now, we're going to add credentials, and to do so, we're going to click on this drop-down menu and create a new credential. And then, on the next window, we're going to fill up our client ID, our secret, and then we're going to choose whether it's for sandbox or live environment. Once you fill up those, click on Save. And there you have it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!